guys, welcome back. I'm with the homie Luis. You guys already know who he is. He has a scat pack, and I'm actually on my way. He did me the big favor. We're gonna go pick up my car. At the same time, we're gonna drop off his. He is gonna get his car paint corrected, ceramic coated, all that good stuff. I told you guys, head on over to RGV Customs, check him out. But he's gonna go get everything done. We just forgot, gotta go pick up some money. That way we can pay Frank and we can get everything taken care of, man. But I'm super excited. He did send me a few pics, and he promised me one thing before I dropped off, or before I left the car. He told me you're gonna fall in love with the car again. I told him it's been neglected. He told me it's been a while since he saw my car. So there's to show you guys that I haven't been in the car scene as much. I've been super busy. But man, I'm super excited to take a look at the car. Heck yeah, guys. I have never seen my car look this damn good. Take a look at this, man. Wow. I don't think I've ever seen a metallic flake on the paint. First time, man. Love it. But anyways, guys, I know it's getting kind of late, but we do have a late show and shine in Edinburgh, Texas. My friend George and the guys over at Magic Valley Mustangs invited us. They're gonna have a quick show and shine at this little market. It should be pretty cool. I've been hearing that it has a really good turnout. So what better way to show off how the car's looking, detailed, ceramic coated, completely paint corrected, than going to the show. And when I got to RGV Customs to pick up the car, Frank had a little surprise for me. He said he threw in a complimentary engine bay detail. He told me, hey man, I know you're not gonna be going to a car show anytime soon, but I still did this for you. And I was like, you know what, dude? I got invited earlier to one, so I'm gonna go ahead and take it and just show it off. I know there's nothing crazy to see under the engine bay. It's a V6 3.7, but it looks really nice, guys, and the turnout of the car is just magnificent. Frank, if you're watching this, bro, I just want to say thank you so much. I know this takes a lot of effort and a lot of time, man, and the car looks so much better. So if you guys that are watching this and are local, you need something done in your car, whether it's a modification, whether it's paint correction or ceramic coating, go ahead and hit up RGV Customs, guys, on Instagram. He will take care of you. And I don't know if you guys can peep this right here. It's not really a merch line, but some of you guys have been reaching out to me telling me that it'd be cool if I had like a merch or something like that to sell. Well, this isn't necessarily merch. It's, I guess, kind of a self-promotion in a way. I made these shirts, and I'm gonna just, it has my name in the back with the YouTube logo, so I'm gonna go ahead and just show them off when I go to car show, whenever we work on cars. If Efrain got one, I got one. And if you guys are interested, I have a few design ideas I would like to do. So I mean, what do you guys think? It looks pretty cool in my opinion. It has the AF for Albert Flores, the logo with the race flags. And speaking of Efrain, he actually just showed up, so I'm about to give him a shirt, see what he thinks of it. Special delivery. Here we go. What do you think of it?
Thank you.
That's alright. Is it?
My mechanic work. My uniform.
That's gonna be your new uniform whenever we're filming. Y'all can see that. My name in the back with the YouTube logo. Again, just self-promotion. Look at that. What do you think? Is that alright?
Yeah, it's good.
Cool, man.
So I can get it dirty.
You can get dirty. I mean, so we gotta do. That's why we got it in black as well, because I mean, whenever we're working on the cars, you can't see the stains and stuff. So pretty good. And there you go. You guys gotta order this. Go ahead and scan the barcode. It's a nice EcoBoost, man.
What's going on, man?
What's going on, dude? You get MIA from YouTube?
Just a little. Had something behind the scenes, but
check out George rocking his own merch. Look at that. What are you rocking? Garbage. What are you rocking? Garbage. Oh, this guy. It's pissing me off, dude. It's pissing me off. It makes the car, I don't know, give it a really nasty look to it. Like, it's real rough. Like, there's no more clear coat anymore.
Parece classic.
pinche patina, güey.
No, güey, la un pinche más, no, güey.
Yeah, and then it goes out. Look at this side too. It says worse. This says worse.
¿Sí te quedó bien el tema?
What lights?
Starlights.
Oh, I haven't seen them. Starlight burger. Are they on or what? Oh. Alright. give you that. They're really badass. Cool, man. Can you change colors? Yeah. Dude. I like them. All right, guys. I'm gonna go ahead and walk around, show you guys the event. It's a small event, show and shine. I'm gonna go ahead and show you guys the cars we have around. Nothing too crazy, but nonetheless a really good turnout. It's called the Moonlight Show and Shine. Of course, we have a V6. I think it's a V6, might be an EcoBoost. S95. Look at that paint, man. Neglection. We have, y'all saw Hector's GT350 bumper conversion. He's done quite a bit. You got the car wrapped in matte black, got a cowl hood. We just saw the starlight roof right there. Legit right there, man. I really like that. Badass. We got the whole crew just chilling. I know everybody. George, Hector, Peter, Mike. We got George's bag 5.0 Pro charged on Boston's. Clean as always. He's been MIA for a while, but he's back. We got his coyote over here. He's trying to get that confidence from him, but he won't budge. Clean Camaro, of course, your boy's V6. Wide body scat. My favorite decal wrap of all time. Love it. Got a few vets over here at the Corvette Club. Badass, man. I got here a little late, guys. It was all full right here, and there was more cars over there, and all the spots that you see are empty now. People started leaving, started getting late, but it was a good turnout, man. Nonetheless, got some bets over here. But I just wanted to bring you guys with me. I'm gonna go ahead and just walk around. There is a market back here, but just hope you guys enjoyed what we saw. I mean, I just showed you guys the detail we got today, the paint correction, and I just came to hang out with the friends, see what's up, but nothing too crazy. Baby Gabe was out today. Say hi, pa. Say hi. Hi, say hi.
No,
don't poke your nose.
Don't do that, you poke your nose. Say hi.
Say hi. Say subscribe. Say subscribe.
See him?
No, I didn't see you. He's living at the cars. Say bye. Alright guys, I do want to bring you guys along. I'm going to show you guys the market. We're just chilling. It's called Moonlight, so it's like a night, like a night market?
I guess. Yeah, somebody said moonlight.
Yeah, this vendors. It's pretty chill. Gonna wrap it up. Just wanted to bring you guys with us, just have you guys tag along. Say bye, Gabriel.
Say bye.
Say bye.
Say bye.
Say bye. Yeah, it was just a quick show and shine that they invited us, and I mean, obviously, what a better time to bring out the car, show it off, how clean it looks and stuff. So yeah, man, if you're new to the channel, subscribe, guys. Go ahead and drop a like, and I'll catch you guys on the next one. God bless.